just had a dream about Selena Gomez! We f***ed in it! What a beautiful start to the morning, boys. My balls are bigger than my wiener! I think that's not good, actually. Anyway, boys, back in action. We're back in the action. You guys know how this series goes. It's our favorite on the channel. We do it once a week. And if you don't know how the series goes, here's how it goes. Oh, that's a Biggie reference. I mean, NameBran, you should hit him up with how the series works. Better. Tupac reference, because we're doing a Tupac video. Anyway, here's how the series goes, kids. Listen up. So what we do every single week is we do a little rapper pickup. We pick up some chains / merch these rappers maybe would have worn or would wear. I just think it's dope. I think it's fun to do that. You guys comment the rapper down below, the one with the biggest thumbs up I do for the next week. Now the one we're working with today is Tupac. Anyway, we go shopping online, we buy these chains, and by the end of the video, I wait for the package to come in, and then we unbox them, see how dope they are. As we all know, chains are really big right now. Everyone wants to flex with their gear. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get girls. However, a lot of us don't have $100,000 to spend on a chain, so we try to get the best ones for cheap. So I'm actually here for you guys. I'm here for you. Also, the last thing I want to say, any chains we get in this video, I do give away because I don't rock fake chains, but I love seeing them. I love showing them off. I think this is a cool series. There ain't no other one on YouTube like it, especially done by a retard like myself. So if you guys want to win a chain, all you guys got to do is thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, hit the notification bell, which means you got to subscribe, and then at the end of this video, I'll tell you the last step you need to do in order to win any of these pieces that we get in this video. With that being said, it's time to go shopping. Bad intro to that, but let's go shop now. Let's go shop online. I feel like a chick every time I do one of these videos. Doesn't matter. Okay, NameBran out. Onto the computer. Alright, boys, so we're gonna get started here, but before we get started, I have a little confession to make. And I feel like while I confess, we should just look at the beautiful Selena Gomez, the one and only. So, generally, I film these clips way before I get the packages. So I film and I wait a couple days, I get the packages, and then I show them off. However, I filmed this clip already, but I forgot the memory card at home that I did when I'm filming. So when I'm filming, I generally film it, put it on a certain memory card, whatever, wait for the package to come in, da-da-da-da. I forgot that at home, so I'm just gonna refilm me pretending to buy these things, even though they're already here. We're gonna unbox them. I brought them for my trip, so we would have a video. Hopefully you catch my drift here. Wow, look at you, baby. Oh my God, this one right here. Oh man, I hope that's not 17-year-old Selena Gomez. I hope that's a picture of her when she was at least 18. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to blur out a lot of stuff because I'm seeing a lot of P-ROM pop up already. So it started off at King Ice. You know what I'm saying? King Ice apparently is this big website, and we checked it out last time to get lots of jewelry. That was my first time checking it out, and I was like, yo, this website is sick because they have a lot of jewelry of rappers, and it makes it really easy on that. Where is the Tupac? I'm allowed to do this. I'm on vacation. This is sick. Okay. Tupac. So I went on this website first, you know what I'm saying? I don't want the star there. Oh no, Brad. Tupac. Anyway, how's your Christmas holidays going, boys? I love to know that stuff. You guys are happy holidays. I was gonna get mad at that pop-up, and I'm like, you know what? It's being nice to me. Alright, I may have scored a little something on the beach as well. So anyway, I went on this website, couldn't find the Tupac chain. So I actually went to Amazon. This is one of our first videos that like really features Amazon. And God, I'm gonna have to do a lot of blurring. A lot more stuff is coming up. Yes! Death Row! So it's the one I bought. Oh wow, that was something else. Why would that come up? I got a little SEX toy. I can't. Lag is for sure. So Death Row Records. This is one thing. Another thing I like to do is Tupac chains. Or just Tupac. So this is what I always go for, like, studying these videos, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to get the best rapper thing, or things that they would have worn. Now, if you look at him, always, he's either got, like, a cross like that, he's got this right here. As y'all can see, we're about to unbox that. I'm not going to give any more spoilers, but he's got, like, the Death Row stuff. So that's kind of what we're after right now. What else do we get? I actually forgot everything that I got. It was like a month ago. Maybe a little bit less than that. Probably a lot less than that. Anyway, Tupac, let's go Death Row. Can we just search Selena Gomez for a second? Oh my God. Oh my God, I need that mug. Okay, you guys let me know. Please, if you're watching this point in the video, it's already at 5 minutes. My God, if you guys are watching at this point in the video, add to cart. Do you guys want a Selena Gomez haul? I think it'd be funny. I think it'd be dope. I'm working on a Selena Gomez room. If we can get a bunch of comments down below saying, yes, Selena Gomez, we're gonna do one of those next. I don't want your bags. Oh my God, you know, okay, I gotta say this so it doesn't get demonetized. FLESH lights. Selena Gomez needs one. Selena Gomez needs one for sure. But, okay, we got the picture. Boys, probably the worst episode of shopping online we've had so far, but also I'm probably in the best mind state that I've been so far because I feel happy. I am on a trip, and there's a lot of girls walking around in bikinis, and it's just making my life. Everything that's happening on this trip so far is just awesome. So anyway, love y'all. Let's go to the Bat Cave real quick, shall we? Oh boy, that was a mess. Oh, it's still on. And we're back. Wow, this is crazy. In the same scenario so there's no Batcave. There really is no Batcave here. I wish I was still at home. Anyway, what we got here, boys, is a bunch of stuff. I can't remember what I got, but we're gonna start off with this package right here. Also, leave a comment down below what rapper you want to see next. If you guys are tired with the series, we can move on with another one. I still dig it. I still think it's kind of fun, but what the hell? Bro, what the hell is this? Oh, you know what it was? Ah, okay. I remember I was shopping online and I couldn't find a lot of Tupac jewelry, and I remember like this part right here. I'm like, that would be something he wears just on its own, maybe. And then I got the, no, I'm gonna be honest, I got it because I thought the Kool-Aid Jammer was funny. I think Kool-Aid Jammers are really dope, and I guess I just got this even though it has nothing to do with Tupac. However, if he was alive nowadays, he might be rocking something like that. You know what I mean? I have a feeling he was probably in the era of loving Lunchables and loving Kool-Aid Jammers, and I'm really trying to make this work because this clearly has nothing to do with him. This thing's hilarious though, bro. Oh my God. I actually want to wear it as a gag. Anyway, we're gonna give this away. The last step you have to do, my Instagram's right here. Go follow it and leave me a message. That's what you have to do to enter. That's how I pick people. It's a little bit easier. Then I can backtrack and be like, send me screenshots of what you did to deserve it. And I could be like, yeah, send me screenshots of like you liking the video. Anyway, that's what I do. Kool-Aid Jammer. Bad start for sure. What in the hell was I thinking? Next up, we got another package. You guys have no idea how hard it is to not open these beforehand. It's like getting a Christmas package every single. Oh! This is what we were talking about. The straight up death row. I don't know if his was absolutely like bust down out or whatever, which means like there's diamonds all over it. I have a feeling his wasn't like that. Back in the day, it was just straight up gold. There was no diamonds on shit, stuff like that. I think, if I can remember correct, this was like $12 on Amazon. Honestly, I'm not mad at it whatsoever. I think this is actually really sick. This is one that you guys told me to get a lot. Guys, please forgive me. I'm on vacation right now. I'm like I'm like trying to like bust out videos as much as I can, but at the same time, like everyone's partying. Like this morning I already went down with like a bunch of the boys or whatever. I met a bunch of people here and we had a bunch of drinks, and like it's just been like that. But I'm still trying to like do this stuff. So also another thing I want to say, this has nothing to do with the video. What do you guys want to see while I'm down here? The public stuff I think would be really funny, and there's also a lot of beach babes that we can mess with in like a bunch of different ways. You don't know what I'm saying. My girlfriend, if you're watching, you don't know what I'm saying. I'm just joking. What is this? Ooh, it's a sticker. Sick. Last up, we have the Death Row Records t-shirt right here. Now, I planned this out because I knew I was going to be doing this video on vacation, and like the last one I didn't bring any shirts because I knew I was about to unbox them, which is why I'm wearing a long sleeve right now in really, really hot weather. You know, I feel like I can rock this one for sure. If you guys don't know Death Row Records, that was his record label. Junior Mafia was Big East, East Coast, West Coast rivalry. Had to do a lot with this name right here. So I think this shirt's so sick. We got a guy in an electric chair. That's actually kind of sad, but I think this is all really dope. Anyway, I'm sorry this one seems, or may seem, I like these videos a little more when they're a little bit more chill. I was gonna say, I hope this one doesn't seem too half-assed, but my whole thing on YouTube is not like half-assing it, because I don't. I really take a lot of time into what I'm doing and stuff like that, but I think like when it just comes off cuff, like what I'm doing right now, it's kind of sick. I dig a little bit more. It's a little more unpredictable when Bran is on vacation doing his thing. Anyway, boys, that's what we got. I'm gonna keep the shirt. I'm not gonna give that away. I need more shirts to wear. But what we are gonna give away is a super sick Death Row Records chain. We have this that has nothing to do with Pac, and we have this that has nothing to do with Pac. I don't know what my mindset was, to be honest. Appreciate y'all for watching. We're murking the game, the greatest of all time. And last thing I want to say, I already know it's at 10 minutes, so it doesn't matter. I'm not trying to drag this out. What do you guys want to see on my vacation? Keep in mind, we have a beach. I have some gear that I could maybe like use in order to screw with some people like publicly. I just want to hear what you guys want to see. And once again, we'll be back to regular uploading after this week. I have one more week to the day that I'm here, and after we're done with the hotel stuff or whatever this is. I'm in a resort. That's what it is. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. If you made it to this far in the video, comment something that has to do with Selena Gomez down below. Don't cap lock it, don't do anything like that, or people will copy you. Anything that has to do with Selena Gomez, you're gonna have a better chance at winning some of this stuff, because I really want to do it for my viewers that actually like care about these videos. You know what I'm saying? Who actually watched this far. I don't know why you would, but if you do, I think you're dope. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merkin it. Blah.